Here's our Craftsman lawnmower that we had for the last 27 years. She gave us good, reliable service. Granted, I put a little paint job on it, fixed the carb a couple of times, changed the spark plug or two, and she gave us good service until this year, where she finally gave her all. What can you say to this old friend of ours? Except thank you. She gave it all. As you can see, I gave it a little paint job. Need a little work in the carb. So I had to put the old blade back on. Would fix it up, but things like the gas tank they don't sell anymore, and the muffler they don't sell anymore, and most of all, the housing in which everything is connected to, they don't sell that anymore. I'll get a light. As you can see here, there's a hole right there, pretty good size. There. And right about there where that hard point is, that chip paint, there's a long crack there. A good 2 inches. So that's no good. Got this thing back in November of '88 or something like that, or '87. No, it was the spring of '87 we got this. And from that point forward, she served us well. Well, I guess I don't make Craftsman's like they used to. And for those who think, just fix it up, go to used car, used hardware stores or whatever, they'll sell you that. Yeah, but I'd be putting parts on an old mower. There are probably some internal wearings of the engine that need to be addressed eventually. And it had to be, be putting parts on an old lawnmower. So, little grab handle there that's supposed to act as an emergency brake to stop the engine. Stopped doing that this year, so that need to be fixed. I would have to go out and get a tool to do other things. So I'm just putting more money in an old lawnmower. Money I'd rather spend on a new lawnmower. So, and what will be replacing it, you might ask? Well, in the interim, it will be replaced with this guy. We got this in 1982, and she'll be serving us for the rest of the year. As for next year, I don't know. So, I guess that's it for now.